Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. Time for Spanish, everybody. I am in the sunny state of Texas. I am here in the big H town in Houston. And guess what I'm here for? Tiempo a ir votar. Tiempo a ir votar. It is time to go vote, everybody. And if you are voting for Harris Walsh, we need your vote, and got you a little bit of Spanish. Tiempo a ir votar. Time to go vote. I will be right back in Punta Cana very soon. Guys, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Turn on your notification bell so you can get your Spanish lesson tomorrow. But today, it is what? Tiempo a ir votar. Tiempo a ir votar. Time to go vote. Talk to you later.